Today's topic is low tension test in EMU and MEMU motor coach. Preparation for conducting low tension test. Stop the train at a convenient place as per procedure and secure it. Build up 6 to 7 kg per centimeter square MR pressure. Ensure battery voltage is more than 90 volts. Open VCB, lower pantographs and physically ensure all pantographs are lowered. Keep TSS in test position in the required motor coach. Press HVCB close switch. Ensure ABR is latched. Occasions for conducting low tension test. Before leaving shed, to check all control circuits, to check any air leakage in SG1, SG2 and tap changer box, to check a proper movement of K1 and K2, to check a closing motor contactors, transfer contactors and tapping contactors, to check DMH working. Procedure of LT test. Press and release MCP start switch. Ensure CR set coil is energized and latched and CC1 contactor closed. Press and release MCP stop switch. Ensure CR trip coil energized, CR unlatched, CC1 contactor opened. Operate OL reset switch by opening control switch and ensure OL1, OL2, OL3, OL4, OL5, OL6, OLP and EFRP are setting properly. Then close control switch. Operate BIV by turning on fully. Then close EP supply switch. Ensure EP supply lamp is glowing. Move BCH to EP full range and ensure energization of holding and application contacts in BAR relay. Press MPT, move reverser to required direction and move MPT to shunt. Then ensure energization of K1, K2 located in SG1, SG2. Hear the energization noise from K1, K2 and also ensure no leakage from SG1 and SG2. Ensure energization of SR. Ensure blowing and extinguishing of MSTL. Ensure closing of motor contactors. Ensure closing of tapping and transfer contactors and no air leakage from tap changer box. Ensure working of DMH and no air leakage from it. Release MPT and ensure proper working of DMH. Move MPT to half power position. Ensure proper closing of tapping and transfer contactors as per the sequence of operation and no air leakage from tap changer box. Keep MPT on full power position. Ensure proper closing of tapping and transfer contactors and WGR as per sequence of operation and no air leakage from tap changer box. Bring back MPT to off position. Ensure opening of motor contactors, tapping and transfer contactors and de-energization of SR. After completion of LT test, unlatch ABR by HVCB trip switch, normalize TSS to run position, raise pantos, close VCB as per procedure. On energization of all motor coaches as per procedure, take few notches and place BCH to emergency position and ensure opening of tap changing and transfer contactors, de-energization of SR and opening of motor contactors by glowing of MSTL. Today we learned about procedure of conducting low tension test in EMU and MEMU motor coach. Thank you all.